Ang Tagbilaran, Brother Bon. 18:32 in favor of Talibon. 7 minutes and 28 seconds remaining. Unsa kay diskarte sa Tagbilaran para makaapa sila.
Mira kalau yang urusan nih, bung Marcos ha.
Tinod.
Out si Babayap tapan si Jenya Babayap si Aris.
Okay, back to the ball game. 7 minutes and 28 seconds remaining. Salamat sa mga nag-shout out.
18:32.
7.5k live viewers, okay. Atong ilis na battery mong microphone Brother Bon kay nalubat na. Okay, tanaw sa mo sa duha mga igala kay mag-ilis may battery.
May microphone ya.
Traveling violation.
Gila, nagtambilan. Ganado ang Talibon eh.
Kato ko nung gitaga papel,
Ito yung mga questionable.
15 seconds
maoy
shot
mo
clock.
tambong. Baw lang siyang basta na papel gihatag, maunay mo tambong. Katong
Jason Evangelista.
Tambongon. Kay gitagaan na siya.
2 points.
O lagi.
Basket count for Jason Balabang.
Kaya madyo nang
Foul on jersey number 11, Ortiga. First personal foul, Ortiga. 3 team
Sakto na kayo
fouls.
maka-inquire
kaya
no?
natatay lagi
Kasi
nga.
katatay na ang gabi nga no, mingon itong tingkad na og bitaw, di na amo di. Pagam ano lang pagkuan.
Kay ang
Gambar kasuatan ba?
Deklarasyon.
Wa man sabi kay at sa una, murag mudumi at gagmay pa mi at buto na pwede.
Grabe tong championship 3 ni Jason Evangelista kanina, no?
Samtang nga gabuhat mo sa ayo sa battery.
Yes. Lami kay singgit ato pero Saman.
Fans of Talibon all the way from Talibon, oh, grabe. Lagi o kayo unsa nang orasa. Alas 10 mahuman ni mga alas 11 niya biyahe pa para Talibon, layo pa kayo.
oh, alas 12 mamuli. Not good. Rebound from Tagbilaran. Long pass to Mr. Pagshot. Pagshot. Nice pass. Good from Tagbilaran.
And here it is, start ng comeback ng Tagbilaran, Brother Adrian.
Yes, 23-34 in favor of Talibon. Mga igala, 6 minutes and 18 seconds remaining.
Spin move.
Wow. Rebound from Mr. Pagshot.
Nice defense.
Pagshot.
4-on-1 fast break, 4-on-1.
Number 17 to Mr. Balabag. Balabag.
Ayan.
Number 16 attempt. Not good. Number 16 pa rin. Attempt.
Yes.
There you go.
Panda!
Number
Down
16.
to a 9-point lead.
O nag-iingon kung di ba sa Berbero. Kuha sa ikadua.
Benson and Rodico.
Pero
2 points
nakalusot.
from Ironico.
Pero nakalusot si Ironico.
Matod ni Risa May Ocampo. Laverne. Oh, another nice defense from Talibon. Torion on the drive. Torion.
Drop.
Pasa sa gilid. Number 10. Attempt. Not good. Rebound Mr. Pagshot. Number 1. Pagshot.
On to fast break.
Pagshot. Pagshot. Oh,
Foul,
there's
foul,
a
wisdom
foul there.
Wala. Out of bounds na.
Out of bounds. Oh, sorry. Out of bounds mga igala.
Mangwarta ay sa.
Ayan, shout out sa atong 7,800 live viewers in the house.
Palit ka daan.
Perong for Hela.
5 minutes and 22 seconds remaining for the second quarter of this game. And this game is brought to you by the provincial government of Bohol.
Pugahon for
Number
3.
28 for 3. Not good. Rebound from Mr. Palapag. Palapag attempt. Oh!
Jason Balabang.
2 points, Mr.
Inagay, Brother
Palapag.
Adrian, muna na akong giingon nga Unsay need sa tagbilaran mo puntos gyud si Balabag aron makakambak sila ni.
Tinod. Balabag is only big man in Tagbilaran.
5 points na si Balabag karon.
Birong versus Balabag. Birong jump shot. Not good. Rebound from Tagbilaran.
What a
From
pass.
Mr. Number
Touchdown.
one. Pag shot. Oh. Pag shot pa rin ang bulak.
What a
Nice
pass.
Sa
What a
gilid.
fake.
Number 16. Oh. Nice
Sayang.
defense. Ortega. Oh my goodness. It's a loose ball. Ball position of Tagbilaran City. 4 minutes and 39 seconds remaining.
Substitution, Alvarez for Ortiga.
Saan naguto ka?
Concern na battery ni Brother Ramon. O napulihan na.
Napulihan na.
Yun si Chris
Ako si
Romero.
Kaning karong taon-taon, Brother Mon.
Nalubat na bra.
Lubat na po ni. Text lang mo mga viewers ha. Kung
Wanay
nagkakaw
tino, kasi wanay tino ang usa ka commentator.
Ayan.
Sundan mo ni apil in extreme ah.
Of course, almost
Extreme,
8,000 live viewers na mga higala. Salamat sa inyong suporta. Diri sa Facebook page ni Governor Aris Cementado and Provincial
Still a 9
Government
point
of
lead.
Bohol. 9-point lead.
Talibon.
Talibon.
Ooh,
Nice defense from
steal.
Tagbilaran. I mean,
Counter
Talibon.
steal.
Nice pass to Malabag. Easy shot from Mr.
Jason
Pagsabag.
Balabag.
And here comes Tagbilaran, Brother Adrian. 7 points in the second quarter by Jason Balabag.
Ayan, hinay-hinay nagabante.
Hinay na. Kanina 14-point lead karon. 7 na lang.
Tinon.
Hinihinay nakapas ang
10 seconds
Tagbilaran.
and go.
Torion to Mr. Biro.
What a
Nice
pass.
pass.
Sayang, turnover.
Wow! Sayang ang pasa.
Substitution. Tagomo for Torion. 4 minutes.
Dili ni sa Unitab, gipalit ang battery sa SM Cebu. Pag-shot. 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 Nakawala sa depensa. Galing!
Pacha.
Yan, shoutout kay ni Rhea Joy Bunyel. Salamat sa pagtanaw. Tagbilaran jump shot again. In and out. Rebound Mr. Evangelista.
Only a 5-point lead Brother Adrian. Sayang, wag ipasa ni Eronico.
But
Si
there's
Berong,
a
si
foul.
Berong libre sa kilid niya, wala ipasa tira gyapon niya.
Sayang.
First personal foul, Bugaho. Two team fouls, Tagbilaran.
Matod ni Rizame. Oh, I mean, ay, si Kuya Lawrence. Pasudla na si Broly o Clarkson.
Pilas Pilipinas, Kuya Lawrence.
Gilas Pilipinas puso. Nakagol sa Asian Game.
Gold medal, congrats Gilas
Congrats,
Pilipinas.
Ayan, 8.1 thousand live viewers. Salamat mga igala. Connect.
And this is
3
now
minutes and 25 seconds remaining. 31-37. Wow. Hinay-hinay nagkapas ang Tagbilaran.
down to 6-point lead, Brother Adriano. Kanina 14-point lead.
Oh.
Very physical game na.
Jersey number 9, Tagomo.
Ikit po musugot ang Tagbilaran ng mga buildings sila Adriano, Brother Adriano. Kaya ilag ni home court. So they need to capitalize and the advantage na home court sila. And then hopefully sa game 2,
Time out, Tagbilaran.
pero ang Talibon, grabe pa ang gihatag ni effort karon para ma-steal nila ang home court advantage. And then in game 2, sila na pa yung home court and ito na po ang advantage nila.
3 minutes and 18 seconds remaining time for the second quarter. Back to the ball game, 3 minutes and 18 seconds.
Uy, shout out.
Flash, ano yung mga taong sa flash?
Shout out DYRD. Nakalugar si Balabag. Wow! Sayang!
Pagitin ba?
Nakalugar na ako to siya.
Salit na, bus ka na.
Traveling violation.
Nasobraan og steps ni Mr. Abelardo Snow, Brother Adrian. Karon ang nawana po itong mic ni Brother Adrian, no? Nagpulis kay battery karon. Laban lang, brother. Ang sige kaingon nimo.
Laban.
Gita lagi tanggal.
2 minutes and 45 seconds left. 6.3 gihapon ang talibon. Samtang karon si Brother Adrian nagpulis battery. Long free, wala. Uy! Agaw sa rebound and the easy move
Mura mo
by
ito, nga pamitingan, kapitingin.
Perong.
Wala na requirement.
Ay mo itong sky high rebounding Gito.
Ngayon panahan mga siswa man, ngayon panahan.
Kaya kaya
Mo'y
steal man ni
tanawan.
Pagobo.
Mo'y tanawan sa taga.
Pag shot,
Ano
close
ba?
by.
Nagraraya.
Floater.
Nicky Pacha.
Reform. Mo'y tanawan.
Too easy for Nicky Pachat. So
Okay, and
back.
back, Brother Mon.
Hindi, hindi complain nga requirement.
Brother Adrian is back.
Yung utos da.
2 minutes remaining for the second quarter. 33-39 mga igala. Evangelista, dribbling the ball, Mr. Evangelista. Evangelista on the drive, what a shot!
Star player of Talibon, Brother Adrian. Jason
Mr.
Evangelista.
Evangelista, Brother Mon.
Pero nga tax declaration at
Mo na
siguro
gingon
na
mo bagyaya ka,
testo
biyaan
mga daan.
ka. Nang mo bagyaya sa inyong mga hinigog ba, biyaan mo, ayun pa sa pao. Pag shot, jump shot,
Kaya
back.
ang instruction sa papel kay
There's a foul,
Wala
Mr.
mag-test.
Pagubo.
Pag tax day, PDC o katong
Foul by jersey number 9, Redan Pagubo.
zone bitaw zoning certificate.
Ato ni Chris
Mao
Gabriel,
ginagsulta sa
remove
sa
na.
pagkadal.
PK ba na inyong battery, Brother Elian? Oy, taas na kayo to. Live span namang battery. Almost 1 month na. Karon pa napulihan.
Zoning certificate mo.
Asa ka na.
Sukod na sa
Pero di potasyon. Puro mga
Matod ni March Rosales, kahit maglagot yan ko, ilugod na ako ng bola.
niyam na.
Naunsi naman itong mga viewers ay.
Shout out for Kandihay, ingon si B-Boy Inojales.
Si Risa May Ocampo, nakarelate.
Oo, kato.
Uy, 1 minute and 39 seconds remaining, 34-41.
7-point lead for Talibon.
For Talibon.
Nung din sa mo repair ka turne.
Uy, nayan ni Pop Up, Kyle Arado, shout out. Ayan, natimingan. Bakit ka, sir?
Pass, wala pass!
Stop.
Huli ka, Balbon by Mr. Balabag. Ingat ba ni Mr. Balabag ang Alvarez? Not in my home.
True, not in my home court. Too big, too strong. Jason Balabag.
Taas tulo ka buok mo may sulti ring glass sa
Matod ni Marta Cecilia, sir, dagano may bumugot, ginuka lang ko.
Foul!
Uy, nga naman to.
Foul. Or I think it was Birong.
Foul, Mr. Birong. 1 minute and 26 seconds mga igala. Usahay kaning oras pa rin importante gina. No?
May deadline mo na practice mo gana.
Kung nananaw niya, tagayin yung oras ang usag-usa para di mo biyaan.
Lamig na tanggungan.
Sakto ba to?
Brother Adrian,
Ay,
ka na dito.
doon ka.
Murag need yun na
Ayan,
pick-up lines ba?
yes. 34-41 in favor of
Talibon,
Talibon.
hindi ka
Yapon 1 minute and 25 seconds.
mga na.
Connect, first shot, Mr.
O
Balabag.
da na ipakumplay
Shout out from Quezon City. Ingon si Raquel Valyaskin.
Pag-slice na sa mga sumusunod pa title.
Liandra Somalinog, shout out from San Francisco, California.
Katong papel sa
2 free throws for Balabag. Connected. So 5-point lead na lang for Talibon.
Kinahali na ng tubig dito kay Water is live. Evangelista dribbling. Guarded by Mr.
Kompleto to tanan.
10 seconds to shoot.
Evangelista wants the pick.
Dato ba may
Oh,
Steal, what a
nice defense from Tasilaran. Intercept
On the
Mr.
field.
Alvarez. Alvarez.
Open.
Evangelista for 3.
Bam!
3 points from Evangelista.
55 seconds.
Jason Evangelista, the dead shot. Hot shot of Talibon.
15 seconds.
Grabe ka shooter.
Kisang
shot.
kasakay na ka.
Number 17 jump shot. Connect from number 17.
Aldo and Quito.
What an answer by Ingito, Brother Adrian.
Yes.
35 seconds.
Nagaani ba to?
35 seconds remaining. Evangelista dribbling the ball.
30 seconds.
Evangelista to the
Wrong with the low post.
24 seconds.
Number 23, Pirong. It's a loose ball. Nice defense from Mr. Balabag.
And again, Brother Adriano, sa akong team kanina, Tagbilaran needs to step up for Balabag. So kung magmapas mga sila si Balabag yun. So karon nagmakita both offense and defense,
Pinod. 19
Balabag
seconds
is the
remaining.
star.
Adik ka to, taktik lang.
17, nice turnaround shot. Not good. Rebound from Mr. number
10
17
seconds.
to number 28.
Wow,
Nice
drives.
pick. 28, nice pass.
Dikit mo na.
At 10 for 2,
Wow!
Tagbilaran. 5 seconds remaining.
What a play! What a play for Tagbilaran.
Tingnan sila balikan yung mga alas 10. Balikan yung alas 12. Balikan yung si
Time
Mana.
for the second quarter. Score 40-44 mga igala.
And
In favor of Talibon.
the second quarter, end of the first half, our official scores, Tagbilaran 40, Talibon 44.
Kasagaran ba yun nagalingan 3 days wala pa rin makuha ma'am.
So again, we can see a 4-point lead
Yan na pa yung mamiro
for
na.
4-point lead for the visiting team.
Talibon.
Visiting team.
Okay, standby mga igala.
Lagi eh.
All right, Tagbilaran City, it's the halftime show, and now let's welcome back the Van Guardians.
Mauday siguro nagiingon nila libre.
I'm a grown woman
Libre, hapit na naman na.
to do whatever I want. I'm a grown woman to do whatever I want. I'm a grown woman to do whatever I want. I'm a grown woman to do whatever I want. I knew what I needed. I was spending all my nights.
Sa tawa na. Pagtingin ko mo ng tiba. Mababa.
I may be bad, but I'm perfectly good at it.
Apa lang yung video.
Libot mo na.
Anad na magkaso.
20 lang libot ko.
Sa atin sa sinsid din, tanaw ko sinsid ng ko.
Oh, benta. Wala. Ito ba? Green. Parang tapo yun.
Malang may pagtarima atong City Hardware ko.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, let's give it up for the Van Guardians. And now, for the second presentation, let's welcome back Animatrix.
Kami dire. Magdang sinaw-sinaw patong pareha ilang kaloid sa una ha.
Wow.
Ladies and gentlemen, Radio City Music Hall Productions present
Keep looking at me.
So good, right?
Listen.
You won't admit you're loving me. Perhaps.
Diyan, igna mama ni mo.
Tawag yung mama.
Pull up to the city side, that's the tricky side where they let the blicky fly. They want me televised. I just hope the kingdom they can keep the enterprise. Everything we got is free, it goes to cash and nothing's in it. I just got to test the tenant, I can't take it to the finish. Let me pull up to the city side, that's the tricky side where they let the blicky fly. I'm so
Napadaw chinchin ni Yuman.
Ala. Kumalo ginaw nga eh. Pa. Hamanang. Hamanang matug. Erko di ay.
Is everybody ready? Now I don't think the bag on mine. I don't think you know what you done this time.
Kanang inas manang ba nga ipaadto naman sa munisip atong asisor ugma kay katong sato pa mangayog litis nga kuan
Latest na
Tax mix? kay mo may requirement ihatag adto nga ayaw lang every tatay adto wag man tatay bo tong jutaan.
Once again, let's give it up for Animatrix.
Ha?
And there you have it, the halftime show being presented to us by the city government of Tagbilaran. A sense of amor.
Hugay na bitaw na wa na takakuag as kinsay gabuhat ana nganong kuan mata ana nga sila'y wa din na labuhisi kay
Ladies and
naanong man.
gentlemen, this is the start of the third quarter. Start off the second half.
Oh, kay sila may tanong-tanong dito, danong kita may mo
11 ball.
Mao gali, wa man ta kay bao gali kay sa diha pa sa tay wa man gali ko na kuana og ijaha na magaling sa bahin.
15 seconds to go.
Lagi.
Eronico, nice. Oh, what was that?
Mama buhisi og na.
Good foul by Bueno to stop the fast break. What on your foul, easy 2 points. Good.
Second personal foul, Jeff Bueno, first team foul.
Nine minutes and 42 seconds remaining start of the third quarter. Megala 40-44. Why? It's a traveling violation committed by Mr. Turion of Talibon.
O lagi basin. Ngano man pud sila magpahibaw. Ano man pa sila pahibaw nga nakuha na ning
Inbound at number 17. 17 to number 19 of Tagbilaran. Dribbling the ball. Number 19 guarded by Mr. Hela. Bueno. To Mr. Pagshot. Pagshot. Pagshot.
Roller, yes.
Whoa, easy shot from Mr. Pagshot.
Easy floater there of the pick and roll of Balabag. And man, nakalusot siya kay nice screen there by Balabag.
Hela. Hela, pass to Mr. Pirong. Guarded Mr. Palapag. Pirong challenge mode. At
Wow.
connect
Carlo Pino.
from Mr.
Top shot.
Pirong. Easy shot. With a smiling face. Brother Mon.
Over the outstretched arms of
Yes.
Jason Balabag.
17 attempt. Easy basket from number 17. Puro magiluagan ang depensa. Brother Mon.
Too strong ba yung dito? Ang body niya, palit yung kontra, lawas.
Tinod.
Easy 2 points.
Torion dribbling the ball. Mr. Torion, number 99.
Green.
Torion. Nice defense from Tagbilaran, but bola sa Tagbilaran. 8 minutes and 37 seconds remaining for the third quarter of this game. And this game is brought to you by the Provincial Government of Bohol. Number 19, Bueno. Intercepted by Mr. Hela. Hela, drive. Pass to Mr. number 10, Eronico. Eronico, jump shot attempt, that good. Rebound Mr. Hela, attempt, that good. Eronico, rebound. Eronico, attempt, that good pa rin. Anong nangyari sa talibon? Intercepted from Mr. Pagshot. Agawan ang bola, nakuha ni Mr. Turion. There's a foul.
Mulagi, ipawahisa ng kataktay kay mapungutana pa na sa
Foul from Mr. Turion. May gala.
Jersey number 19, JF Bueno.
Foul Mr. Bueno, number 19.
Ligya ng buto.
Second team foul.
Pagshot is still down. Brother Mon.
Kapit the pang shot, Brother Adrian. There was a hustle play. And he's pointing in his head. Murag na takog ba? O sa ba? Delikado na. Pang shot is still down.
Pagshot is still down and he's pointing his head. Nga matod pa, murag na po. Okay na day.
He's back up.
Okay na, okay na. Baga.
Ang hanglan sa ilang basag katay kay katulad niyang bana.
Baga ang natukod, Brother Mon.
So, talit Tagbilaran.
Okay na na. Mo, nag-iikon, Brother Mon, nga kung nasakitan ka, ayaw ka-discourage. Panayon niya po, kay sunod sakit niya po. Laban lang.
So, Brother Adrian, Tagbilaran can't afford to lose pag-shot kay siya star player po.
Yes. Attempt short from Talibon. Rebound from Tagbilaran. Tagbilaran to Mr.
Fast break.
Number 28.
Bugahon.
28. Nice move. Bugahon. Not good. Rebound from Mr. Palapag. Palapag attempt. Not good. Nako ni Mr. Palapag pa rin. Palapag attempt. There we go. Jason Palapag.
Tagbilaran ties the ball game.
Oh my God. Tayo na, mga igala.
Na-comeback yun sa Tagbilaran.
46-46. Number 99, Turion. Dribbling the ball, Mr. Turion. Looking for his teammates. Turion to Mr. Eronico. Eronico. Nice defense from Tagbilaran. Pirong to Turion. Turion, nice pass sa gilid. Connect from Talibon.
Off a broken play. Salvage pa dito sa Talibon ng 2 points.
Tinod.
Kapit man tumastil.
Nice pass to Palapag. Palapag, there's a foul there.
Palapag is too big and too strong right now, Brother Adrian. Wala
Tinod.
kayo makapuong niya.
Gigamit nilang height, Brother Moon.
And then, here comes Puno to maybe man-to-man again Palapag. Eh. First half, mo dito yung strategy sa Talibon. Giman-to-man nila sa Palapag and nawala siya duwa. But now, he's exerting his dominance in the court.
Puno is one of the big man, Brother Moon.
Talibon.
Higit kay big man, may pinakadako. Lingin.
And then, yung gahi,
Sulit.
gahi.
Oh.
Matarog pa. Kumbaga.
Mo nag-ingon, pero upo na yung mga pagsulay, Brother Moon. Matarog yapon. Matarog yapon.
Pindigad, Brother
Oh,
Adrian.
tingin eh. Ayan. 7 minutes
Tie ball
remaining,
game
mga
again.
igala. The score is tie.
15 seconds and go.
Puno. Nice pass. Tuloy Evangelista. Nakuha ni Mr. number 35. Evangelista, jump shot. Not good. Short. Rebound. Puno sa ilalim. May kasama pang foul. Mr. Puno.
Yung giingon o, brother Adrian. Dahil kita si Puno at matarog, itangalan. Buwan yung matarog.
Tinod. Ibanggaan na ganihan kita Mr. Ibangga ganihan mo. Mr. Kisa to Ibangga ganihan, Mr. Murata ba to?
Ang nibangga si Morata, siya, Morata po yung napalit.
Yes.
Grabe.
So inana kagayon si Mr. Puno mga igala.
Veteran player of Talibon.
Aplido pa lang daan, Puno na. Puno's free throw, wala, rebound run number 16. 6 minutes and 45 seconds remaining.
Sayang ang fast break. Una.
Nako na Mr. number 1. Pug shot, dribbling the ball, guarding ni Mr. Torion. Pug shot. Pug shot, nakawala sa depensa, pug shot. Wow! Kasama ang foul. Mr. Pug shot. What a veteran's move of Mr. Pug shot, Brother Moon.
Another pick and roll play for Pachet. No?
Una giingon, Brother, usay mo ko, Brother Moon. Dili mabasahan ang move ni Pug shot. Magduda ka ba nga isa ba niyo or ipasa na na ba? O nakakamo nga nagiduda ka ron. Padayunin na kahit delikado. Sorry. Ito, palamuot lang eh. Alas 6 na, hapit alas 11.
Still in the third quarter. And Tagbilaran takes the lead. Come back na, brother.
First lead ni sa Tagbilaran, Brother Moon. 51-50, 6 minutes and 30 seconds remaining.
Talibon, brother Adrian.
Torion, nice pass. Oh, loose ball.
Sara kayong Talibon. Apso na
Ana yun na. Kapo, ay kin mo kumpiyansa kay na ilogo na inyong uyap mga impas masakitan yun mo.
Bantay, yun.
Bantay. Long is number 3. Not good. Rebound from Mr. Pagshot. Pagshot dribbling. Pagshot. Crossover. Third by Evangelista. Pagshot. Oh.
Fast break.
Nakuha ni Mr. Hela. Go na. Kasi ko Emin. 6 minutes remaining mga igala.
Ngayon si Kuya.
Ana, di na ko kaila, Brother Mon.
Duka na, brother.
Ino ka na ko gamay.
Uy. Uy, physical play. Sige buhat na to. Nalagot man si Hela. Nalagot si Hela, brother. Nalagot, brother.
Oh, Hela.
Balik kay Gary.
Brother, nalagot.
Oh my goodness.
Mas kaya Rico.
Murag nalagot to sila sa court. And then karon murag ni nalagot na si Hela.
Unsa kay decision sa tong referee kay jump ball to pero
Dugay man sila naghigda and then murag wa ni barog ba.
yes, usay mo good Brother Mon. Kinahanglan yung tag patient sa pagduwa. Dapat ipakita niya po ng sportsmanship. Pati kabaw yapon.
Let's see what happened. Let's see what happened, brother.
Okay, tanawin ko ang kuan.
Decision. No?
Walay gibuhat si kuan kisa to yang kuan. Si Pandan Boy gibuhat pero si Hela ni kiret og kiri kami kung gikurentihan.
Ikali check mo rin yun na
Oo.
kung saan ni iyato mo siya.
O sige, kusi or
Kasi masig sa ilaw wala kita.
wala kita.
Double technical.
Double technical.
Number 16 of
Tagbilaran.
Tagbilaran and jersey number
Double technical
35 of
Tagbilaran.
Talibon.
Ya? Mo na sila bagay?
Diyan sa ilalom ato kay
Kalit ka na nagahigda
Siguro po siya mo react na inato ra kung wa ko'y gibuhat no.
Namingaw na to.
Sa
Asa
wala
bilang
ka
kay
to
kalit.
Flag personal foul on Hela.
Naigod ang talibon. Yung lingkod.
First team
Atong ang decision sa referee mga igala, double technical. 5 minutes 57 seconds remaining. Di ginabawa ang pisikalan. Championship man pero dapat ibabaw yapon ang sportsmanship.
Ano ra ba na ini ka siha na ini
Ball position of Talibon mga igala.
Shout out kuno ni Kobe Laborte watching from Labangon.
Nako ni Mr. Torion, number 99. Torion to Mr. Evangelista. Evangelista dribbling the ball. Evangelista on the drive. Nice drive but not good. Rebound not good pa rin. Nice pass to Puno. Not good.
Yapon. Daga na sayang sa Talibon, brother.
Oh my God, sayang.
3 miss easy shots by Talibon.
Grabe. Mo to giingon og 3 miss, di ba, Brother Mon? Mo to giingon niya, I love you, pero wa dawata, gibasted.
Sakit, brother
Oh,
Adrian.
sakit kayo to. Bastilan. 5 minutes and 36 seconds.
5 minutes left.
Palabag.
Exit out.
Tagbilaran champion. Ulit. Mr. Pugshot.
And done with a jumper to give Tagbilaran the lead.
5 minutes and 8 seconds remaining.
10 seconds shot clock.
Still. Tagbilaran. On the move. All the way.
Basket count from Pugshot.
Foul committed by jersey number 12, Jason Evangelista. What window for a shot?
Foul Mr. Evangelista. Napa-time out ang Talibon, Brother Mon.
Apa time out yun, Brother Adrian. Kinilabaw na yun ang
Yes,
Tagbilaran. Upsa na sila.
55-52 in favor of Tagbilaran. 4 minutes and 56 seconds remaining for the third quarter.
Shout out kang James Vale from watching from Lorega, Cebu City. Abutin itong live no, Brother Adrian, sa Cebu.
Abot din ito, California, Brother Mon, mga abroad.
Abroad. Mga taga-ball.
Manguto na yung bata? Isa ka na naman kung ari-ari na naman pahindahon.
Back to the ball game with 4 minutes and 56 seconds remaining.
Si Alan na may magmotor kay gamutor magkahat ang sama. Si Alan na yung motor.
Ika ni Yvonne Rica Ford.
Ari na
Sorry.
sila hinda na magtungan.
Lisod mag-aplido. Shout out from Hong Kong.
Ingon si Gerald Ensure, shout out.
Ha? Huwag naman tingalipot. Bayan na ka sila.
Okay, back to the ball game, mga Igala. 56-52 in favor of Tagbilaran. 4-3 Evangelista. Not
Wala.
good. Rebound from Mr.
Wala
Palaman.
si Evangelista karon, Brother Adrian.
Nakuha ni Mr. number 28. 28 attempt.
Whoa! The
4
home
minutes and
team,
34 seconds.
the home team, Brother Adrian, is now gaining momentum, no? Labaw na gid sila. Ano nila ang momentum karon?
Torion, dribbling, jump shot. Not good, short.
Wow!
Rebound, Mr. Evangelista.
Sky high
Number
rebound.
12 to Torion for 3. Not
Wala
good.
gyapon
Short.
ginibalas.
Rebound. Oh.
And another foul for Evangelista.
Foul from Mr. Evangelista. 4 minutes and 14 seconds remaining for the third quarter.
And that was penalty, no, Brother Adrian. So, costly foul. Third personal bagay.
Oh my God. Penalty situation ang Talibon. 4 minutes pa.
Substitution. Pagopo for Barrion.
Grabe itong crowd, Brother Mon.
Kanting Tagbilaran yun, no? So,
Yes.
naanagin nila momentum, no?
Usahay mga Brother Mon, kaning mga cheer po. Usa po ni sa magdaog hype, magdaog kulba sa mga player, labi na sa mga visiting team. Normal gina siya.
Manikingon sa basketball na 6-man, kanang crowd yun. Lagi tinod na home court advantage is real.
Tinod.
Crowd yun.
Pero kung di ka magpa-apekto, wala na yung problema. Pero mapektuhan mo yung Brother Mon. Sa mo tagibuwagan ka karon, ikaw ang nagtanaw.
Uy!
Yes, 1 point from number 16, Mr. Pandan.
So karon no, napako ang score sa Talibon, 52, murag 2 minutes na way liyok-liyok.
Yes.
7-point lead na for Tagbilaran.
Evangelista. Dribbling, there's a foul from number 16.
So penalty na pod ang Tagbilaran. Both teams are in the
Both team
penalty.
are penalty situation, 59-52, 4 minutes and 4 seconds remaining. Mga Higala.
So what both teams can do here, no, Brother Adrian? They can drive and then look for the foul. Kaya penalty naman. So bahala pag mo drive. Bahala di mo shot. Basta ma-foul ang night chance mga free throw.
Tinod. First row, Mr. Evangelista, good.
Kana laging munisto ka to dalitong parehang tatay ngan. Oy, dili na katatay.
Second row. Connect, 2 points of Mr. Evangelista.
Ano to mga murag gibaylo. Sa to murag
Puno out now, Brother Mon, and Pirong Isin.
Sambungan asa man to ay sa unahan.
4 minutes and 4 seconds remaining.
Uy,
Number,
Gambol pa Eronico.
number 28. 28 to
Palapag.
Palapag.
Wow,
Palapag,
what
nice
a
move.
move.
May kasama pang foul.
Move.
And one from Mr. Palapag.
Mote giingon, Brother Adrian. Pinoy step. Naalo si Berong sa unang nikagat siya sa fake step. Layup.
Unang ingon nga. Nikagat sa pasalig, brother mo. Nabiktima, hinoon.
Then, paasa no?
Oh, paasa.
Umasa sa wala.
Ayan. Wow! A total of 3 points, Mr. Palapag.
And he
61-54.
converts the 3-point play.
62-54 now, brother Mon.
8 points lead na ang Tagbilaran. Grabe.
Tinon.
Complete role reversal. Labaw na karon ng Tagbilaran.
Evangelista, number 12. Evangelista, jump shot. Not good. Rebound from Talibon.
Open.
Mr. Pagubo. Pagubo, jump shot. Attempt.
Yes.
Connect from Mr. Pagubo. 2 points, Mr. Pagubo,
That was
Talibon.
finally a field goal for Talibon in over 3 minutes.
Yes, 56-62 to score Megala. Pug shot, dribbling the ball. Pug shot, step back for 3.
No,
Oh,
air ball.
air ball from Mr. Pug
So
shot.
I think that will be a shot no Brother Ian. Talibon is willing to give to Pagshat. Pagshat is not really a known 3-point shooter. Pagshat is very good on layups, floaters, and then the passing.
Yes.
Pero sa 3-pointer, more mo na yung sa siyang weakness. So I think that will be a shot nga i-allow ra sa Talibon.
Okay na lisod, brother Mon. Basta ang
That's a foul and a penalty. Brother Adrian.
Angan kay Jamo Busquet. Mura-mura.
3 minutes and 11 seconds remaining for the third quarter. 62-56 in favor of Tagbilaran City, mga higala.
So shout out kang Jay Estanyo, ano ingon si Andy Estanyo from California.
California. Ika ni Carlo Pukoy, shout out from Tokyo. Ayan.
Ingon si Francis Renel Borenaga, shout out sa akong migo nga nitanaw si Al Francis Gudes. Shout out Francis Renel Borenaga.
Rebound of Mr. Balabag. Balabag to Mr. Altida. Altida dribbling the ball, Mr. Altida. Nice ball rotation from Tagbilaran for 3. Not good. Rebound from Balabag. Wow, nice defense from Talibon. Number 10.
Spin. Pass.
Oh!
Sagula ni kay Dugos.
It's a loose ball.
Kanang Luis Ang, Ginsin, Ben, Sambong, Uglo, kanang long paper. Naghanig sa guday, naihalipunan eh.
Macam na long paper.
2 minutes and 52 seconds remaining. 62-56 in favor of Tagbilaran City.
6-point lead for Tagbilaran.
Evangelista dribbling
Long
the ball.
three.
Evangelista for 3. Not good.
Grabe, layo
Rebound
ako
number
eh.
17. Long 3 pang Stephen Curry to
Curry.
Brother Mon.
Feel ni ay bahalis nga
Narabas si Stephen Curry to ni Brother Mon.
Oo, pero nitanaw pa siya.
Basi ni Tanaw.
Open ni Sir Chief, babaya.
Oh. Number 16, Pandan. Dribbling the ball, Mr. Pandan. Pandan. Ginamit yung katawan. Pandan, not good. Rebound, Mr. Pagubo. Pagubo to Mr. Birong, number 23. Birong on the run. Birong, attempt. Yes! Connect from Mr. Birong. 62-58. Number 17. 17 on the drive. Easy shot, but not good. Rebound, Mr. Birong to Mr.
This is the
Turion, number
counter-attack for
99.
Talibon.
Turion on the drive.
Ayun!
Nice follow-up shot. Good there. He scores 60-62.
Karon,
2 minutes remaining.
niapas na po ang Talibon, Brother Adrian.
Yes.
Game of
Nahimay-hilay ng
back and
kabante.
forth. Puli-puli lang ito sa pagkapas sa lead.
Number 17. To Mr.
Open.
Pandan. For 3.
Open!
Not
Wala!
good. Agawan ng rebound. Rebound Mr. Evangelista. To Mr. Turion. Turion.
What a
Nice
pass.
pass to Mr.
What a
Pagubo.
pass.
Number 10. Not good.
Sayang!
Rebound from Mr. number 22. 22 for 3. Not good. Rebound from Mr. Pandan. Nice pass. Altida. Connect.
Oh!
Mr. Altida.
Sa captain.
Connect from Mr. Eronico. 1 minute and 17 seconds remaining. Third quarter of this
Yes,
game.
you can see, Brother Adriano, after that basket by Eronico nang ayos. Exactly. Hangat ng good kayo, brother. And
Ikapoy
here
na.
comes Alvarez. Goes up for him.
Yes. Number 16. 16 to Mr. Palapag. Palapag attempt. There's a foul from Mr. Pirong, number 23. It's an action shooting foul.
Alvarez for Aeroniko.
Yan ang gawas. Ito gawas siya. Gihangin.
58.5 seconds remaining for the third quarter. 64-62 in favor of Tagbilaran City.
And then we can see, Alvarez coming for Aeroniko. Kay hangat lagi kayo. Ganina tagaduwa sa Aeroniko. Nangay siya sub.
Tinod. And of course, shout out sa ta ni Governor Aris Aumentado together with Congresswoman Van Van Aumentado and of course Vice Governor Victor Balite and mga board member, Brother Mon, sa provincial governor ball. Yes.
Game 1.
Tinod.
Brother Adrian.
Connect from Mr. Palabag. Shout out sa ato ang 9.1K live viewers.
Evangelista.
Oh, Black! Nice defense from Tagbilaran. 45 seconds remaining. Altida on the run. Altida to Mr. number 22. To Mr. Pagshot. Pagshot dribbling. Pagshot. What was that? Traveling violation.
Malaw yung paa, Brother Adrian.
Makita ni mo, Brother Mon, ang handling sa bola ni Pagshot. Kuya yun. O nakakaya siya bulusot.
4-point lead. Uy!
Wow,
what a
nice
steal.
defense from Tagbilaran.
Counter steal. Jason. Drop. Drop. Yes.
Nice pass. Nice shot from Alvarez. 15 seconds remaining.
Back and
12
forth
seconds
game.
remaining. 10, 9, 8. Pagshot dribbling. Pagshot to Mr. Palabag sa ilalim.
Counted. Wala.
Na foul pa. Sayang, ilang pang i-foul? 1.9 seconds remaining.
Pero makita na to, Brother Adrian, grabe ang paningkamot ni Jason Balabag dito sa Opos. So, to get that position and then try to attempt the 2-point.
Tinod.
And then his effort was rewarded, kina-foul siya. And let's see if he can make this 2.
So, free throws of Mr. Balabag. First round not good. Second throw.
Shout out ko kang Romer Gilbolingo.
1 second. Time for the third quarter. 67-64 in favor of Tagbilaran City. Mga higala.
This is now a 3-point lead for Tagbilaran over Adrian. Ganina halftime, 4-point lead sa Talibon. Karon change favor.
Ladies and gentlemen, start off the fourth and final quarter.
This is the final quarter for the game 1 of the Senior Division Finals of the Governor's Cup 2023.
Okay, back to the ball game, Brother Mon. This kinsa kay mo daw ganay, Brother Mon. Kaya trailing ba itong tuwa?
Fourth game.
Yes. Pagshot.
Who wants it more? And another good defense by Talibon.
Torion on the run. Torion attempt. Connect. Nice shot from Mr. Torion. 66-67.
Pag-shot nakalusot.
Pag-shot. Pass to Mr. Autida. Nice pass to number 17. Attempt. Bang! Ginamit yung katawan.
Gidaro, Brother Adrian.
Pagubo dribbling the ball, Mr. Pagubo. This is the fourth and final quarter of this game. Governors Cup Finals. Game 1. Senior Division. Tagbilaran versus Talibon. Wow, nice defense from Pagshot. Pagshot on the run. Pagshot, nice pass to Balabag.
What a pass, brother. That's the real point guard. You find your big man and the easy 2 points.
O nag-iingon pa naman, the essence of point guard. Number 99, Torion, Mr. Alvarez, nakawala, block by Balabag. Number 17 to Mr. Autida, nice beat, block. Foul Mr. Pagubo, Brother Mon.
This is a very grind out game, no?
Inod.
Very physical running game. Tanan, makita yun yung mga duwa, Brother Adrian.
Yes, and atong score, Brother Mon, 71-66. Wa pa nakapas ang Talibon sa mga karon. First throw, connect. Second throw, Mr. number 28. Yes, a total of 2 points. Nako ni Mr. number 10. Number 10, Eronico. Nako ni Mr. number 99, Torion. Torion for 3. Bang! 73-69 in favor of Tagbilaran.
Torion breathes life into Talibon's comeback attempt. What a big three by Torion.
Nako ni Mr. number 17 to Pagshot. Pagshot dribbling the ball.
Pick and roll.
Pagshot dribbling.
Uy,
Oh.
nice defense.
Nako, oh, foul. Foul number 28, Mr. Bugahot. Bugahot.
Bugahot, yeah.
8 minutes remaining, 73-69 mga higala.
Nice defense there by Talibon.
Nakita na ko, Brother Mon, si Mr. Alvarez, murag si Abuy ba?
Amoy, oh,
Oh,
grabe. Ang
kanang-
energy.
Ang energy and
Hustle.
hustle niya, and then kanang the way siya nga mo nagkuhaon niya ay mo kapugot. para ma-foul
Step
ka na.
back. Wala. Bad
It's a
shot.
block. Nakuha ni Mr. Balabag. Balabag to Mr. Pagshot number 1. Pagshot attempt. Easy layup.
What a pass by Balabag. Touchdown.
Eronico dribbling the ball, Mr. Eronico. Eronico. Looking for his teammates. Eronico. To ni Mr.
Nice
99. Torion. Block again.
Block by
Nakuha ni
Balabag.
Mr. Balabag.
And another
Balabag to
pass.
Pagshot. Pagshot again. Pagshot. Nice move. Wow. Agawan ang bola. Nakuha ni Mr. Eronico. Eronico yung darano. Eronico. Wala.
Oh, wala.
Puno. There you go.
Grabe. Grabe ni si Puno, Brother Aiden. Di matarok yun. Ugahad 1v1. Corner. What a
Nice
pass.
pass. Out
Again. What a
there.
pass by Pagshot.
2 points.
Pila naman ka-assist ni Pagshot.
Ibang ilista for 3.
Wala.
Not good. Puno nag-isa. Block by Mr. Palabag.
Block by Balabag. Grabe.
But it was a foul, Brother Mon.
Sayang. Murag hula mo to, Brother Adrian.
6 minutes and 45 seconds remaining. He scores 77-71. And shout out sa atong 8.2K live viewers, mga gala. First throw, Mr. Puno, not good.
Tuwa lagi kami ra.
6 minutes and 45 seconds left.
Second throw, not good pa rin. Rebound from Puno. Puno, intercepted with pug shot. Pug shot, nagpamali Mr. Pug shot. Wow!
Bravo!
79-71 in favor of Tagbilaran.
Tulo ni kabuok na. Agwa na ang ibang gamitan.
Evangelista.
Ayang
Paso Mr. Puno. Puno to Mr. Ironico. To Torion. Torion for three. In and out. Rebound from Mr. number 10. Easy shot, not good. Alvarez, goodness.
What a hustle na po, Brother Adrian.
Grabe. Backs out, rebound shot.
Put back. Yes, sir.
oh.
For three. Three points.
Sir!
3 points from Mr. Pagchat. 82-73. 5 minutes and 52 seconds remaining for the fourth and final quarter.
Karon makita na to no si Indito, Brother Adrian, sa Tagbilaran ng time out usab kay murhangat na tayo. Kanina siya gidua.
Again, foul, Brother Mon, Jason Balabag.
Fourth foul.
Yes.
This is now the biggest lead of Tagbilaran, Brother Adrian. 9 points.
82-73, 5 minutes and 47 seconds remaining. And of course, Brother Mon, medyo foul trouble na si Balabag. Unsa kay diskartehan ni sa Tagbilaran.
Late lagi pero 60 watts man. Ha? Ada ko gyapon na 60 watts da. Tulog ka mo gigamit na mo og 180 watts ang mga gamit. Oh,
Mga pa ko no.
oh,
Balabag, hindi pa siya control, Brother Adrian. According to our
Amo ba?
scores,
So, by foul?
by
Okay.
Grabe.
Abi kog tulo na.
Oo. That is a very crucial part of Tagbilaran kay Balabag is their star player and he needs to stay in the game. Kung may laing kasab sa niya.
Yes. And 5 minutes and 47 seconds remaining for the fourth and final quarter of this game. This game is brought to you by the Provincial Government of Ball. And of course, Brother Mon, grabe ang defense sa matag team. Grabe ang opensa pod. Muna inyo, magtaog na lang. Taman mahurot ang time. Evangelista number 12. Evangelista.
Step up.
Evangelista, jump shot.
Wala.
Not good. Rebound. Oh! Grabe.
Alas, si Ibang Instagram,
Ang
Brother Adrian.
Tagbilaran, Brother Mon, dili kay si isa rin taas nila pero maayo mo box out si number 17.
Dito,
Yes.
he uses his body well. Nakupod mo si Buno ba?
Oh, dakong tao. Pero dili yun ingon nga taas ya.
Pero kamang doon sa lawas.
Outida to Mr. Pagshot. Pagshot dribbling the ball, Mr. Pagshot. Pagshot looking for his teammates. Pagshot nakawala.
Block
Block.
by Hela.
Palit.
Ganda nun ha.
Nice defensive.
Ayos ang depensa.
Dali, pas lang out ka rin dari ako niya. Kani nga brand 18 watts din ha.
Inbound.
Inbound from Pagshot to number 17 to number 28. 28 for 3. Quick 3. Not good. Rebound. Nakuha ni Mr. Balabag.
Nice rebound by
Oh my
Balabag.
God. Tungod sa depensa sa Talimon, Brother Mon. Dili na nila makuha ang bola.
Watts din eh.
Oh. Nakuha ni, wow, nice pass.
Spin.
Balabag. Oh! Foul.
Nayog sab si Ingito.
Sakit daw ang tuhod ni Mr. Ingito.
Pangatabot na Brother Adrian. Rebound, ito ng rebound.
Hela is warning for disqualification already, Brother Mon.
Foul.
Ay mo kali isa. Balik gamit ha.
Bonus free throw, Mr. Balabag, number 24 of Tagbilaran. I mean, 2 free throws. First throw,
Karingite.
connect.
Para man sa unit tapi.
Second throw of Mr. Balabag, number 24. Not good. Rebound from Mr. Eronico. 5 minutes
Last 5
remaining.
minutes. 10-point lead.
83-73 mga igala. 10-point lead, Tagbilaran. Number 10, Eronico. Eronico, nice
What a
pass.
What a
Wow,
pass.
galing nun. Go Mr. Birong. 2 points.
He drives yan, oh, and then he draws Palabag from the paint. And then paglukso ni Palabag, drop pass.
Libre sa ubos.
And
Autida.
then a nice defense on Autida here.
Oh,
But a blocking foul.
4 minutes and 38 seconds remaining. 75-83 in favor of Tagbilaran City.
8-point lead. Ma-absent ba ni Brother Adrian?
Depende. 4 minutes pa, Brother Mon, and taas pa ang duwa.
Kasi makatakas na po.
Wow!
What a
Nice dribble!
crossover!
Woy!
Yan!
Ganda na sana! Sumabit pa! Ako ni Sir Puno. Puno to number 10. To Mr. Evangelista. Ako ni Mr. Eronico. Eronico to Mr. Herale. Herale. Nakawala sa depensa.
What a
Nice
pass!
pass! Kuner!
2 back-to-back drop passes by Talibon, Brother Adrian.
O ilan ang ma-maintain, Brother Mon. Possible makaapa sila. Nice ball rotation. Nice pass sa ilawom. And shot. Pag-shot.
Another
Dribbling
pick and
ball.
roll.
Pag-shot.
Once the screen from Palabag. Very physical play here.
Pag-shot to number 16. Number 16, nice pick. Nice pass to Altida. Jump shot.
Yes! The captain with a clutch shot.
Nothing but net, Mr. Altida. 3 minutes and 45 seconds remaining. 85-77.
JM, the captain, Autida of Tagbilaran City.
Mr. Bono dribbling. I mean, holding the ball. Whoa!
Ano mo siya taas? Sa tukang, bibitahan na ka na yung taas, gaan.
Altida is fouled. Three minutes and 34 seconds remaining, 85-77 for the fourth and final quarter of this game.
Kasi ulit, binarbalik na kayo. Larga. Pa.
And of course, salamat sa itong mga live viewers. 8.5k live viewers mga igala. Salamat sa inyong pagpadayon ng pagtanaw. And our Philippine Standard Time is 11:19 in the evening already.
Duka-duka na here, Brother
Duka-duka na.
Adrian.
Shoutout po ta ni Paula, Brother Mon, nasa ang kilid.
Paula of BYDO.
Ooh, what was that?
Turnover by Talibon.
Turnover from Talibon. 3 minutes and 27 seconds, 85-77. Inbound to Mr. Pagshot number 1.
This another chance for Tagbilaran to build on the lead.
Yes.
Dagdagan pag nila ang ilang labaw para daog na gyud.
Number 28, pass to Mr. Palapag. Palapag attempt, not good. Nice defense from Mr. Bono. What was that? It's a foul. Ay, para na ako, Brother Mon, kani si Mr. Bono, murag 40 plus.
Oo, kaya ting mga yan.
Ana, 40 plus, no?
Veteran player.
Pero kaya ba kayo mo duwa?
Kaya Brother Adrian, masabay ulit sa mga bata.
Yes. 3 minutes and 11 seconds remaining, 85-77 in favor of Tagbilaran City, mga higala. And of course, itong mga opisyalis na nandiri, ikan sa provincial government na agitanan. First row, Mr. Bono, not good. Tagbilaran is penalty situation na, Brother Mon.
Oo, 3 minutes left. Ang Talibon 2 team fouls pa, Brother Adrian.
Yes. Second throw. Yes, connect.
Ibang sirin, kanina murag na short man karon bordering niya ang sure good ball.
Kana, sure na. Palabag dribbling the ball, Mr. Palabag.
7-point lead for
Palabag to Mr. number 17. 17. Murag ilang gigamit ang time, Brother Mon.
Hinihinay kita mahorot.
Yes. Number 28. 28 on the drive. 28, nice defense from Talibon.
5 bill lagi kan?
Eronico yung taran. Eronico, nice pass. To Eronico. Attempt, connect. Ganda nun. Nice teamwork.
What a two-man play there by Torion and Enrico, Brother Adrian.
85-80 itong score, Brother Mon.
5-point lead na lang.
Number 17. 17 to number 16. 16 to number 17. 17 to Balabag.
Balabag spin.
Turn around. Balabag attempt.
What
Correct.
a move! Grabe!
Mr. Balabag.
Star player, Brother Adrian. 5 bang-bang.
Puno. Nice full rotation. There's a foul there from number 17.
And a penalty situation again.
Karbo.
So for Talibon.
Basta nga luto.
2 minutes and 12 seconds remaining for the final and fourth quarter of this game, mga igala. This game is brought to you by the Provincial Government of Bohol.
Kuhan.
Kapit na po, malupat ang tingog, Brother Mon.
Wala ni mo.
Okay pa. Nag-blink-blink na mo, Brother Adrian.
Kompleto pa ang battery, gikan pa ni SM Manila. Shoutout po na sa tong cameraman dire o mga highlights. Si Mr. Darwin Gatjani.
Boss Darwin.
Katugo na, Brother Mon, katugo na.
Una, alas 11 na. Apit na alas 12.
82-87, mga igala.
5-point lead. Going into the last 2 minutes of our ball game.
Pag-shot, guarded by Mr. Evangelista. Pag-shot, dribbling the ball, guarded by Mr. Torion to number 17.
Time.
2 minutes remaining.
Tanggap na to ang hangin. Mo nang kasi mo makakusog.
Aliyo play. Ingito. Wala.
Not good. Rebound from Torion.
Torion, counter-attack for
Torion
Talibon.
looking for his teammates. Torion, nice pass. Torion no kill. Goal! 84-87
I think
in favor of
start.
Tagbilaran.
Pabalik si Eronico, brother. Pabalik si Eronico, brother.
Ikapoy na.
And that's a
Foul from Mr. Puno.
Blocking foul.
3-point lead Tagbilaran City, 87-84. Murag ikapoy na, Brother Mon.
Grabe.
Majupay. Hindi gali, buhongon.
This is also a sub for Ingito. Murag kasinta, murag bawal pagsuot.
Yes, mo pa na pagsud. 1 minute and 32 seconds remaining, 87-84 mga igala. Pag-shot,
Lead na lang. Let's see if Tagbilaran builds another lead.
pag-shot, dribbling the ball, Mr. Pag-shot.
Close by.
Pag-shot, nice pass sa
Get
gilid.
out.
For three, not
Wala.
good.
Sayang.
Hindi
Open
pumasok.
three.
1 minute and 19 seconds remaining. 87-84 mga igala.
Our score 87-84.
Time out, Talibon.
Timeout Team Talibon. With 1 minute and 19 seconds remaining time for the fourth and final quarter. Official score: Tagbilaran 87, Talibon 84.
See? Okay. Bagtik.
Back to the ball game with 1 minute and 19 seconds.
Back to the ball game, 1 minute and 19 seconds remaining. Brother Mon, 87-84 in favor of Tagbilaran City.
This is a very, very crucial position for Talibon. Kung mga shots
Yes.
sila, mas mudako ilang chance. Kung dili, murag, lisod na and it's for Tagbilaran.
Pwede sila mo shuttle 3, pwede mo shuttle 2, pwede mo foul ang Tagbilaran, dagan pwede mahitabo, Brother Mon. Inbound from Mr. Evangelista. Evangelista to Mr. Puno, number 4. Back to Mr. Evangelista.
The star player of Talibon with the ball in his hands.
Evangelista. Nice
Nice
pass
pass.
to Nainton.
What a
Wow!
What a cut.
Nice pass from Mr. Torion.
Grabe!
Pat yan ang
What
oras.
was that?
Time out from Tagbilaran. 1 minute and 9 seconds remaining. 87-86 mga igala.
Mental lapse on the part of Tagbilaran. Nikalit ragsulpot si Torion dito ni Kat. Si kinagamyan, nakalusot pagit siya and then to 2 points.
And luag ang depensa sa Tagbilaran, Brother Bon.
Mental lapse yun, brother.
O nag-iingon nga, di so ta magpalipat-lipat. Yung palipat ta, gansita.
Now, only a 1 point na lang yun.
Ako mahuman?
for Tagbilaran City.
1 minute.
Yes. And of course, mga igala,
Labaw to
thrilling pa kayo kung kinsay pwede mo
1
daw,
minute.
kinsa ang
Naku, gaso mo hitabo ni.
Juan, ang tawag ka ni Brother Bon.
Back to the ball game.
Ilang mula.
Kinsay di makatulog karong gabi kay mapilde.
Pwede patyo nila una.
And then, one thing to know, Brother Adrian, ang game to ani sa Talibon duwaon. So,
Pero mas still na
tawag ang Tagbilaran City, kung mapinig sila, may delikado. Home for sa Talibon next game.
Dilon. 1 minute and 9 seconds remaining for the final quarter of this game. Mga igala. This game is brought to you by the Provincial Government of Bohol.
Very, very crucial possession for
Number
Tagbilaran.
28.
Let's see if they score.
Is it dribbling
10
from
seconds.
Tagbilaran?
Pandan, screen from Pondok.
Number 16. 16 turn around. Nice.
Wow!
Pumasok Mr. Pandan.
A tough shot by Eric Pandan.
45 seconds remaining. 89-86. Mga igala. Torion dribbling the ball.
Who will step up for
Torion to
Talibon?
Evangelista.
Touchdown for Talibon here.
Evangelista on the drive. Nice shot from Evangelista.
What a reverse.
32 seconds remaining. 88-89.
No need to foul here if you're Talibon. Napay 7 seconds remaining.
Yes.
25 seconds.
So kung mahurot
Oh my God, crucial shot.
Napay 7 seconds.
20 seconds remaining.
10 seconds.
1 point lead na lang mga kaibigan.
Oh. What was that?
Wala.
Oh my God.
And then na-injury si Perong.
Ha? Foul from Talibon.
Power po talipon na yun.
13 seconds remaining.
And then na-injury pagit si Perong, brother. Dagan siya. Nagkiyam.
Jersey number 23. Lidong, you're out of the game. That was your
Oh my God, na-injury si Birong, Brother Mon.
Fifth personal foul po niya.
penalty Talibon.
Very crucial, Brother Mon.
Talibon.
13 seconds remaining. 89-88. 13.3 seconds remaining, mga igala. 89-88 in favor of Tagbilaran.
Grabe, what a game here, brother Adrian.
Grabe ang atong crowd, Brother Mon. Kalibog sila kung sa'y resulta sa tong duwa karon.
And then, bisag 11:30 na no. Grabe, energy gapon yung mga drummer.
Yes.
Game,
Unsa kay possible nga na buhaton sa Talibon, Brother Mon. Nga ma-maximize nila ang 13 seconds kay full position of Tagbilaran karon.
I think Talibon needs to foul on this position of brother kay wala may chance, wala may shot clock. So kung ma-inbound sa Tagbilaran, foul, penalty sila, free throw para mabalik na position.
Tinod. This is a very crucial game between Tagbilaran
Game
and
1 of the
Talibon
finals.
game 1. Mga igala. One night timeout ang Talibon, Brother Mon.
Time out. So kung mailog nilang bola, dapat idagan na glit para makashot
Yes.
for the win.
Unsa kay depensa nga ilang himuon na ni. Inbound from Tagbilaran.
Foul. Uy! Stepping! Wow! Wow!
Slipping on the line.
Brother! Stepping violation!
11 seconds remaining, Brother Mon.
One out. Out, Tagbilaran.
Brother stepping! Abi ko foul to brother!
Oh my God.
Bulas talipon, 13 seconds.
Oh my God, wala ni time out ang Talibon. Saan man nila?
Papa,
11 seconds left.
11 seconds.
Ya dito pa yun ang kwan.
Hula ang inbound.
11 seconds. Substitution.
Oh my God! What a game mga kaibigan!
9.7K, mga igala.
Let's see if Talibon pulls this screen.
11 seconds remaining, 88-89 in favor of Tagbilaran. Evangelista on the run. Evangelista. Evangelista. Oh my God. Atset. Wow!
Hela!
Hildir.
Hela! With the biggest
Pumasok yun.
shot! Oh my goodness!
Hildir.
89-90.
Sa lead!
Iko sa hibagting.
89-90 in favor of Talibon. 4.7 seconds remaining, mga igala.
Ay, 4 seconds na eh.
Katuwa to brother Adrian!
Itza na litso na eh.
4.7 seconds remaining.
What a game!
Kinanglan makashot ang tagbilaran niya. Dili.
Pildi sila.
Pildi sila.
And then going to game 2. Home court sa Talibon.
89-90 sa 4 seconds. Oh,
Wow!
A very crucial game from Hela.
Tinay, yun pala pula. Buntaw na rin siya.
Nice trap by one court. Hipang
Basta marinig sa pula, count man. Tinki, ang nananaw eh.
Grabe.
Adrian, this is the final possession of the game.
Atong
lagi
crowd,
ang tiil.
nag-standing position na tanan.
Now, tagtiil sa gawin sa pula, mga tagbilaran. Ito, nagbula sa Talibon.
4.7 seconds remaining.
Simply wow.
Mga igala.
4 seconds remaining. 1 point lead Talibon. Tagbilaran score.
Unsa kahay buhaton sa tagbilaran.
Here we go, brother Adrian.
Here we go. Mamarong ka ta. 4.7 seconds
For the
remaining.
win, manis Tagbilaran.
Babayam.
For the win. For
This is for
tagbilaran.
the win.
Balabag versus
Yes,
Puno.
yes. For the
Balabag
win.
at set. Wow! Wow! Wow!
Talibon!
Winner Talibon! Grabe!
What a game!
Crucial shot of Mr. Balabag.
Win.
After the 20,
Na-injuryhan pa sila, pero hindi.
the final score.
Brother, grabe!
89. Won by your
Winner! Talibon! Mga igala.
What a steal by Talibon!
And
Oh,
Talibon is now leading
my
the series
goodness!
1 game ahead. And see you at the second game.
Okay, Brother Bon, magpaalam na to. Salamat sa itong mga live viewers.
10K viewers.
10K live viewers. Congratulations,
See
Talibon.
you next week.
See you next week sa Talibon Gymnasium, mga igala. Game 2 na siya. See you next week. Salamat, may gabi.
Salamat sa tanan.
And kini si Adrian Nagupag together with
Mona Tony Balmoria.
salamat og Apate Bohol.
Ni reklamo bitaw sa kuan, players tagbilaran nga gi-post siya. Ya kay strategy man reklamo gibaya po. Pushing, push mo to, foul to siya. Ya. Na stepping naman hinuon.